Hello and welcome to TimelinesAI support. In this video, you'll learn how to connect TimelinesAI with Zoho CRM so you can synchronize your WhatsApp chats and contacts and also send and receive WhatsApp messages from that particular CRM. To get started, it's important that you have connected your WhatsApp account to TimelinesAI. You will see the status here. Remember that you do that by going to the WhatsApp account section within Timelines, and then you select the My Account tab, where you will be able to generate a QR code that you can scan with your WhatsApp mobile app. Once the connection has been established, you will see the status here, confirming that you have successfully done that. And then you'll be able to click on the integration section and select Zoho CRM so you can get started with this process. But just before we can actually proceed, it's important that, or in this case, I would say recommendable, that you also log into your Zoho CRM account within the same web browser window so you can proceed with a more smooth integration between both apps. So to get started, we click on Connect Zoho CRM Organization, and you will be taken to a page where you're going to select the specific Zoho CRM workspace that you want to link to Timelines. And in this case, you will see that Timelines will get to have access to this particular section or these specific sections within your CRM. You just need to click on Accept so we can go back to the page that we were before. And then you can tell the integration how it's going to work. You will see that this specific notification informs you the integration has been successfully established. However, we now have to tell the integration how it should work with your chats. And for that, we click on Configure and Activate here. You'll be presented with these options. The first one, or the first section here, will be for, I would say, your new contacts or new chats. So the first option is the sync destination. You will have different options here, but we always I would say go with the leads option. You can always change that if you want, but the leads is usually the most selected option for newly synchronized contacts in this case. Then the next option here is to select the specific field within the leads that you have, where you would like to synchronize your contacts' phone numbers. You'll have these two options, but in this case, we're going to go with the phone number or phone field. Now, the other option here is to tell the integration where it should insert the contact's name that you have saved within your contacts list on WhatsApp. In this case, you'll have several options here, but going with the last name option is usually the one that we recommend. Then we have the field to sync chat links, and you can always select any of these options, but the description is usually the one that we go with. And within the description, you will see that there's a particular link that will be inserted. When you click on that link, you can always open the chat on Timelines if you consider that necessary for you to review the entire conversation that we have synchronized within the TimelinesAI platform. Lastly, within this particular section, you will notice that you can select a specific field to synchronize your lead source. So whenever you get a new lead that has been created by Timelines, we will insert within the lead source field where it came from. In this case, we will insert the TimelinesAI term indicating that this came from our platform. And this is usually employed whenever you want to filter leads within your CRM, or if you want to send automated messages using Zoho workflows, then you can definitely use this to filter out those specific leads in case you want to send them a special message, basically. Now, the other options that we have here is for those specific leads that you would like to convert into contacts. So you are able to tell the integration to always convert or basically keep track of those converted leads whenever you turn them into contacts, so we can keep on synchronizing the conversation that you have with those contacts on WhatsApp. Then we have the select field to synchronize contacts WhatsApp number. It's kind of similar to this field that you see here. In case that you have a different field for phone numbers within contacts that you have on Zoho, then you can always change that. But usually going with the same value or field is recommendable. Now, once you are done and you agree with all the configuration that you have done here, you can always click on Activate Integration. And in this case, you will see that you are all set when it comes to the basic configuration of this particular integration, and that you're now able to click on this test integration button. And what it does is that it essentially uses our own WhatsApp account to send a test message to your phone number, to your WhatsApp number, the one that you have connected here, so you can see how we synchronize data. You can click on this link that you will see within this green notification, so you can review how we have synchronized that particular message. Since I already interacted with this contact, I can just open the lead here, and we'll see how we synchronize that message. We could just scroll down, but first you see that we have the phone visible here in full international format. Okay, we have also synchronized the name that belongs, or the person that's in charge of that particular lead. In this case, we have the lead owner listed here. We also have the chat link that we mentioned earlier. We have the lead source available as well. And if we scroll down a little bit further, you will see that we have synchronized that message here. The message that was sent, also the person or the user that sent that message, and the timestamp for when that message was sent. Also, you will see that we have a specific link to that particular chat here. You will always be able to keep track of those specific, I would say, messages. And also remember that TimelinesAI will synchronize all the messages that you have exchanged with that contact within the notes section. And if they send you, or if you send them attachments, you will see those attachments synchronized here as well. In this case, let's click here. We can see the message that was sent within this thread. This message was also sent within WhatsApp, so you can have a live, I would say, synchronization process. And we're going to try and send an attachment here. I will just insert the attachment and I will send the message. Here you go. And then we can go back to the lead. We can refresh the page, and we should be able to see that attachment synchronized within the same notes section. Okay, it's currently, let's see, more. Okay, so here it is indicating that an attachment was sent. Okay, since these are attachments, these may take a couple of seconds to be visible within this section. You can just reload this page, and we can scroll down once again, and you see the attachment has been synchronized. It's now visible or accessible within this same section. So that's all for this particular video, but we'll continue with more videos about the Zoho integration so you can be better informed about how it actually works. Thank you very much.